Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Balanced Discovery box. And y'all, this box is a quarterly box, and Blue Smudge is right here, sitting on my notes. I have notes. And I'm going to tell you first what I'm wearing. I have on the Natasha Denona Xenon palette. It's so pretty. It just gets fingerprints all over it. This is what it looks like. It's got sparkles going on in there. See, it catches the light, the ring light. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then on my lips, I have Give. It is me, period, you, period, yours, is what it says. Gwen Stefani. And this is in, I think this is in original recipe, I think is what it is. Yeah, original recipe. So I have original recipe in a bullet, I think, don't I? Yeah, I have the bullet and I have the, so there's the bullet and then there is the, there's that. Okay, so that's what I'm wearing, and let's get into the box. So the Balanced Discovery box comes to us from Canada, and it is $24.99. The Balanced Discovery company, the Balanced company is, they have several different boxes. They have a box for men, they have a box for women, you know, lifestyle boxes. Those are quarterly also. They have snack boxes, small, big. They have different kinds, like vegan and, you know, if you have different dietary issues and needs, they have a lot of different snack boxes to pick from and other things like that. This particular box is like their lowest grade of what they have, and it's quarterly, and it is $24.99. If you buy it by the year, it is $89.99, which makes it $22.50 each. And then y'all, when you become a member, you have a link that you can share, which I did. And if 5 people sign up under you, you get a free box. So I got that with my renewal. Here comes Blue. Y'all get on through. Why does he just come through to what? To what? What's the deal? Why? I'm gonna show the box now. Okay? So this is the box. There's a lot of interesting things in this box. There's usually a snack or so. There's some vitamin-y things. There's some things maybe to cook with or whatever. This is what it looks like, a quick sneak peek. And let's see what we've got. Blue is right in my way, of course he is. All right, let's start out with this since I grabbed it first. This is a snack. This is Vibes Fruity Stars, gluten-free and vegan. It says cherry force field, naturally flavored, only 2 grams of sugar, functional and snackable goodness, it says. So there's 80 calories in this bag. It's non-GMO, high fiber, and fat-free. So that sounds like a really good snack. So 1 serving per container, and there's 18 gummies. It says Vibes proudly supports the Hawaii Wildlife Fund, protecting Hawaii's coastline and native sea turtles. That is so cute. There's a little turtle right there. That is so cool. Now this, I looked these prices up. This is $25 for 6 in a carton. So for one of these, it's about $4.15. So that, like I said, this one's in cherry. It does come in different flavors, so that's pretty cool. And then next we have this. Now this is nice. This is taped up so that it won't accidentally spill. This is by the brand Bolton. It says Bolton Naturals. That's another thing about this box is I think everything pretty much in here is natural, vegan, you know, that type of thing. It's products that you have to think about when you get them. You know, like you don't just go buy something off the shelf. You want to get something that's healthy for you. This is a magnesium gel. It says it is profits are donated to help end world poverty. Very nice. It's a topical massage gel with lavender oil. So that sounds very nice. It's made in Canada, it says. You use magnesium gel at your massage therapy session or after a workout, a long day hunched over a desk. Massage up to 1 teaspoon on the skin. Rinse after a few minutes if desired. So you don't have to rinse it if you don't want to. I know magnesium is good for your joints. With this being lavender, it has lavender oil in it. It would probably smell really good. Let's, I'll get this off and come back. Y'all, I smelled this and this smells really nice. This would be nice, you know, with to share with your partner, like right before you all go to bed or something, you know, massage somebody's neck or something, which my neck is bothering me right now. This, I can even do this myself and maybe put it on my arm and massage my arm that's bothering me, and you know, that kind of thing. I could put it on my neck. You could put this like on your calves. I think magnesium also helps with Charlie horses and stuff. So this would be very nice, you know, like I said, to give a friend a massage, or like if you get massages, take it with you and let your masseuse use this on you. It smells good, and it's a cooling gel. I just sort of looked at it this way, and it looks like a nice gel, which is what it says it is, a gel with the oil. So very nice. This is $28. $28 value there. Ow, see, my shoulder's bothering me. Maybe I'll use some of that tonight before I go to bed. Next we have these samples here. This is by the company Kyolic. And these are aged garlic extract immune support. So there is, I looked this up, and a bottle of 100 capsules is $13.57. There are 4 capsules in the package here. And it contains aged garlic extract, doctor-developed, clinically studied, quality-tested herbal dietary supplement. So there's vitamin C, there's astragalus, and there's mushrooms and oregano. And all those things are good for your stomach, I know, and I know oregano is good for your stomach. Vitamin C, of course, is good for your body. When something says herbal on it, I have to read about it and check that there's nothing in there that I can't have, because I'm on blood pressure medication, and with that, you're not supposed to have certain herbs. But you know, I can look that up, and if I'm not sure, I can ask my doctor. This says take 2 capsules with a meal twice daily. So one of these packages would last you 1 day, and I think there's 6. 3, 6, there's 7 packages in here. So Smudge, be careful. He's chewing on the tape that I just, oh my goodness. And he likes to chew on plastic. So this is, oops, I got stuck. We're having issues here. Okay. This is the card about it. This says, stay well this season. They have a $3 off coupon here, which expires at the end of the year. It says that it is powerful support to maintain and restore a healthy immune system. So that's very nice, especially going into the fall. You know, if you might catch a cold, this might help you. It has some good stuff in it. Like I said, always check. Like, I will check and see if I can use this. Always check when you get a supplement to make sure it's something that's okay with your doctor, okay? And all right, I told you about that. Then we have this brand. We get this brand a lot in this box. This is a great brand. It's Andalo Naturals. It's a wonderful skincare company. This is a 1,000 roses Moroccan beauty oil with rose stem cells. So it says sensitive. It is a sensory experience. This silky, lightweight beauty oil with alpine rose stem cells delivers dermal vitality to soothe and nourish sensitive skin, as argan and pomegranate oils, rich in tannins and polyphenols, uplift tone and deeply moisturize for a flawless looking complexion. So this is for your face. It's to use daily, small drops for face and neck for natural glow. Okay, so this is very pretty. I think that's glass. Yeah, this is a glass bottle. I've had other products from this company before. We had a serum, and I think a moisturizer as well. They're very nice, very nice. And this is $20 value. So that's very nice. So this box costs $24.99. and it's valued over $100. I've come up with at least $150. So some things I can't tell you the price, like these little samples. We've gotten samples like this before. Did we get these in the Walmart box, y'all? I can't remember. This one is, I didn't take them myself. Natural Calm. They're both, the brand is Natural Calm. And this is a magnesium powder supplement. This raspberry and lemon flavor. You make a drink from it. And I think it's supposed to help calm you down. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons daily into a glass of water or hot water, cold or hot water. Stir well and drink. So there's magnesium in here. Anything else in this one? So a jar of this, it's of powder, is $22 for an 8-ounce jar. So a 6-ounce jar of this one is $30, and this is the sleep one, the Natural Calm for sleep. So what's in here is, it's magnesium is the main ingredient, and then there is melatonin. And so, you know, again, you would put this in your drink and drink it, and it would help you sleep because it's got the melatonin in there. So I know I think I passed these on to somebody when I had them before, so I never did try it. But I know that brand is a good brand. Next up, we have a snack. This is Jackson's avocado oil sweet potato chips with sea salt. So there is a card in here about it. So there's 20% off your first order. If you end up buying this, y'all, use the code BALANCED for 20% off. And they have different flavors. They have, they're all sweet potatoes. There's sea salt, which is what I have, and then there's, let's see, Carolina Red. There's a cheese flavor. There's a spicy jalapeno. Oh, that sounds good. So that is, I looked this up, and this is just a snack size. So there's about $5 or so for a regular size bag. So you'd find this, some grocery stores will have this, like Whole Foods and stuff, or you can get it like Amazon, online. So that'll be a fun snack to try. And next up we have this. Let me show it to you and then I'll read it. This is a Neutricell. Neutricell Nutrimin Sleepy Time Vegan Dietary Supplement. So there's 90 gummies in here. It's nut-free, gluten-free, gelatin-free, sugar-free, vegan source of vitamins and minerals. And it is, for the best results, chew 2 gummies 30 minutes before bed. Chew well before swallowing. 100% natural flavors and active ingredients. It's in the flavor dark cherry, which sounds good. And let's see what's in there. It has melatonin. I do take melatonin myself when I go to bed. And so 2 gummies is 5 milligrams. I take 2.5. Well, I think actually my melatonin tablet is 3 grams, and I take half of that. So it's not how much melatonin you take that I've read before. It's just that you take some, start off small, start off with a low dose, they say. There's also lemon balm extract in here, passion flower extract, and chamomile extract, 10 milligrams each of those things. So I'm not sure what that does for you. I know chamomile would, when I was a kid, my mom and dad had my baby sister Liz. I was 15. She had colic, and the doctor said to use chamomile tea, and that would calm you down. So I know chamomile does that. I guess lemon balm and passion fruit do the same. So that's probably pretty good. So I will probably try these. I would start with 1 though for myself, and if it didn't work, then I'd try 2. But chew it, get it swallowed, and then go brush your teeth because, well, it's sugar-free though, but still, I'd want to do this before I brush my teeth. Okay, so did I tell you that is $30? This is a $30 value. And there is a card in here. If y'all are interested, you can sign up under me. I have a link below, and I forget now at this very moment what it gets you. It gets you a percentage off, but they do have a special going right now. I don't think it's 20% off. It might be 10% off. So this is 20% off, balance 20. If you use that, you'll get 20% off your box. And I think that probably would work. It might work if you get the, if you get a year, I don't know. So, and the last thing in this box, see, there's a lot of fun stuff in here. There is this crazy thing. Now this is $6 value. This is rice on the go, made with organic jasmine rice. See, organic, everything in here is healthy for you. It's called the Rice Stuff Box. So the one that I got is curry, Thai red curry, Thai red curry. So I love a good curry. This has no preservatives, no added colors, no added MSG. And it says squeeze here. What you do is you are going to add water, push the sides, and when you push the sides here, it's going to make a box, okay? And you open it up, and then you tear off the top, then squeeze the sides to make the box, add the seasoning and water, so there must be a seasoning packet in there, and add half a cup of water. There's a fill line that tells you how far you should go. Stir very well. Heat on high for 1 to 2 minutes until the water bubbles. And then let it stand for 5 minutes. So it's like an instant rice, sort of, but it's in the Thai, a red curry Thai flavor. Yummy. So that sounds cool, y'all. So interesting. So another thing you might find at a cool place like Whole Foods. So we got the Thai rice bowl. We got the magnesium and lavender massaging gel. We've got the Moroccan beauty oil for your face. And you know, it's a nice thin oil, I can see that. You can use this elsewhere if you want. You know, use it if you don't like oil on your face. You can use it on your legs or arms or whatever. We got the Kyolic Immune Support Herbal Supplements. The Vibes Fruity Stars Gummies. The sweet potato chips in sea salt, and the 2 samples of Calm, Natural Calm, it's called Natural Calm, and the gummy supplements for sleep. And I showed you a couple of the cards that are in here. I found a couple more. Here's one about the magnesium. It comes in a gel or it comes in a spray. That's pretty cool. I think I'd like the spray also. This is Penny Oleksiak. She's a world champion swimmer, and she likes this stuff. So, okay. And then this one is for Vibes Snacks. And I think that's pretty cool. They try to save the turtles in Hawaii. That is really cool. So y'all see fun, different, interesting stuff in this box. So thanks for stopping by to see what I got in my quarterly balanced discovery box, y'all. And take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.